Hello guys, welcome once again. In this video I will show you how to show a reference line on your chart. For example, this reference line or required level line, I will show you how to show this type of line on your bar chart or any kind of chart you want to make. And if you want to give this kind of a reference line shown by black color, then how could you make it? I will show you today. So let's get started. Sorry. So what I have right now is this frame which I have prepared for making charts, and when I press this frame it shows these kind of a bar chart which shows pressure and different parameters between 0 to 100, and I want to set up a reference line which should indicate me the level which is required for these values. So for example, I want a reference line at 90 and I want to see that every value is above 90 or not. So for this chart I will prepare a reference line. So let's see how do we do it. I'll exit first of all my program and I will go to my frame. I will right click it, go to events, action perform, and these chart for making chart, how to make a JFreeChart, I have shown you from the video number 62 and above. These kind of chart, bar chart, line chart, pie chart, how to make them I have shown near about 62 video numbers. So if you don't know how to make a JFreeChart, go there, and this method is applicable on every kind of a chart. For example, bar chart or line chart, if you want to show a reference line, you can do it with the help of this method. So what you need to do is go to the bottom of your code. This is the code we write for making a chart. So if you don't know this code, you can see from video number 62, 63, 64 I have shown you. Wherever you find the JFreeChart tutorial of mine, I have shown these kind of code there. So go and see there, and what you need to do is I have written somewhere in my code category plot p is equal to chart get category chart plot and p dot set range. This is not required, but you can write this. So main thing you need to search in your code is this line category plot and your variable name. After this category plot variable name, we need this p variable of category plot to write our code. So go just below that and write the code for the value marker or the reference line. So write value marker is equal to marker marker is a variable name, you can name it anything, is equal to new. Once again copy this value marker and paste it here, and bracket and bracket close. It will show some error because I haven't fixed my import yet. I will fix my import at the last. So write this, and in this box you need to write your reference value. So this takes a float or an integer value. So my range is between 0 to 900, and I want to set my reference line at 90, for example. So I will write 90 here. Okay, and in the next line I will just copy this marker, paste it here, dot set label. So this is the label for the marker. So here you can provide any string text, and this is basically just the name for your marker line. So I will write required level. This is your reference line name which will appear on your line, and then once again copy this variable marker and paste it here, dot set label text anchor. Okay, and this basically you can anchor your text of for this name above the line or center of the line or on the top of the line. So I want my text to appear on top center of the line. So I will write this, and in the next line write once again marker dot set paint. You can give any color to your line or the reference line. I am giving right now black color, and in the next line write this copy category plot variable name. So my category plot variable name is P, so I will write P here, dot dot add range marker, and in here it will automatically take this value marker variable name. So basically what you need to do is like write these 4 or 5 line of code, and this will show a reference level on your chart. So let's try and run our program. This is my running JFrame, and I will click this, and you can see here my reference line, if you can see, is set at 90. This is your reference line name, which is not very clear here. I will make it clear right now. So what I will do is I will exit from here, and instead of top center I will write anchor dot top right. Okay, so it will show my line at top right, and I will change my graph into the 3D graph, so it will show my reference line more clearly. And I run the program once again, and I click this, and you can see my reference line is automatically coming here. Okay, so in this way you can make a reference line, and you can change this also. I want my line at 50, so this will convert my line at 50 also. Let's see. Yes, now my reference line is set at 50. So in this way you can show a reference line on your chart. One thing I also forgot is for the label marker is not seen, so I will write here after marker dot set label, I will write marker dot set label anchor, and it's automatically takes anchor dot center. So instead of this I will write dot bottom right. Okay, so now I can expect my this name to appear on the chart. So let's see the name appears or not. Yes, it appears here. You can see required level, so add that line also to show your lines. Basically it's just 4 or 5 lines of code, and you can show your marker or reference line on your chart. Thank you very much for watching, and please rate, comment and subscribe, and bye for now.